Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Middle Class. Next, the rise of middle class. The rise of middle class as a factor that aided the rise of English novel can be seen through the growth of lower class. The middle class was made up of numerous merchants and manufacturers, amassed great fortune, and were able to enlarge their political influence and consequently increase their social influence. This made a lot of trade more and dignified. These further gave rise to the middle class. Also, the middle class of 18th century became quite liberated in their thoughts and began to challenge certain laws that existed. All these changes and supposed cause gave thought leader more to write about. Through these writers were encouraged to put on information out there, be it based on or unbased. As a result, the common man whose opinion were regarded highly easily become one of prominence in the society, where he was a part of upper strata or not. Now that everyone at this level could read and their status was vehemently being challenged, the middle class never remained the same. Literacy. Then there was an increase in education. The only way novel become a thing was if people could read them or talk about them. This is not to say people of that age never showed any literacy. There is a difference between just saying things out loud, talking about them, and being able to read or write about them. Very evident is the Canterbury Tales, which was not only penned down but was mostly separate through folklore. Although a written book could appear to be longer and with a more complex plot, the oral stories tend to be shorter because it was passed on through word of mouth and cannot be put down to read or listen to later. Those who could not read made sure they learned. On the other hand, the novel could be put down to read later without losing the storyline. Those who could not read make sure they learned how to, and so did generation after them. This was no longer a luxury a select few could afford. It became a necessity, a way of life, and no one was to be left out. Layer. To buttress a factor that aided the growth of English novel come from the layer, a lot of folks then started to experience the industrialization that gave rise to the middle class. Economic and financial status also afforded them option. More time meant more layer come rest. Life become a lot easier for them. There was an increase in the number of people who had a little or more time to rest and experience some leisure. The middle class could now afford certain luxuries like candles and oil lamps, which could be used to read at night after the day work. Wrapping it up, all that we have mentioned earlier have culminated in the still relevant growth in art of writing novels. Novels in our modern era have transcended from being just on paper to being dignitized. Some authors even translate to other language precisely so that the demand for them can be met. The English novel paved the way for individualization in a way nothing else would. One's ability to share a story now in the language most common and widely accepted, a language that is unwaveringly in its consent evaluation now embraces a concept that never existed years ago, while it still in the ग्रैस्प ऑफ सोसाइटीज़ फोकस। तो वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।